Hi, my name is Ryan DeAngelis here at the Guaranty RV Super Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you the new 2021 Northwood Nash 24B. So it's got the bunks in it, it's got a slide out, it's a little over 6,000 pounds, and like all the other Northwood products, it's got the 2-inch thick sidewalls and a whole bunch of other stuff I want to show you. This year is the first year of the Nash having aluminum frame. For all these years it's always been a wood frame. In 2021 they're aluminum frame for the first time, which is pretty cool. Follow me inside, I'm going to show you some stuff. As you walk in the door, you have your entertainment center in the center here, and then you have your bedroom up front. You got pocket doors that close off the bedroom, and you have a TV that will rotate around from the living area to the bedroom. You have a slide out here with a dinette that makes into an extra bed. You have a ton of storage in these cabinets. And you'll notice, first thing you notice when you look into a Nash is the cabinetry is all real wood. It's no press board strapped with a sticker that looks like wood. You know, all the cabinets in that type of thing, even the fridge covers, are all real wood. These units are built in Oregon. They use a lot of materials out of here, which is pretty cool too. You have in the back, you have your bunk area. There's a door that's accessible from the outside. You can get in from the outside and flip that bottom bunk up, and then you have a whole bunch of storage under there. You can fit bikes and barbecues, all kinds of stuff. In the back you have the bathroom, nice size shower. You have the fantastic fans in here. One in the bathroom, the 12-inch powered fantastic fan. You also have one in the kitchen area. In the kitchen area here you got a Norcold fridge. Pretty big oven as far as trailers and RVs go. It's 3 burners on the range, and you have a little bit bigger on the oven for a trailer. Nice split stainless steel sinks, solid surface countertops, one piece. You have very strong roofs in the Nash, probably the strongest in the industry. They use a nice wood truss system. The 2-inch thick walls, this is a true 4-season. Solar panel standard on every Nash. This year, the other thing I mentioned, their aluminum frame, which is kind of nice, and so maybe a hair lighter. And then they all come with a sealed generator box with a ventilated door, and a switch is standard now as well. So they have the switch installed already, and solar panel. So there's a solar panel on the roof of every Nash standard, which has always been a thing for them for quite a long time. There's a whole bunch of other stuff I want to show you on this unit, and it's kind of one that you want to see for yourself anyway. So give me a call. My number is 541-525-4001. My name is Ryan DeAngelis at the Guaranty RV Super Center in Junction City, Oregon. Talk to you later.